dun, 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 dun. What up, family? What's happening? Dun, 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 dun. Come on. We live, baby. We live. We are in there like swimwear. Live results. Boom. There we go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. As the room fills up. What up, Eric? What up, baby? I see you pulled in. Number one, Uno, Caroline, what's happening? Charlotte, what's happening? Patrice, what's happening? Brody, what's happening? What's happening? Gold is making her way downtown, walking fast. We had a signal yesterday in our late night class. We called a 5249, which is like hella aggressive right now because I think we're gonna find a sell position. I want to find a sell position. I want to find a sell position on gold, me personally. I want to find that sell position back up and start taking her back down. I want to start taking her back down. I want to see gold come into our big buy area from yesterday. We had a big buy area, 33.32 to 33.35. I want to see that today. We get that, we are golden. We're in a quick short position for everybody that is on. We're in a little short position from here, like right there. So we want to see the market shift all the way down here. This is what we're trying to see. We're trying to get this little push. As the market comes in, pushes into this area, buyers are sitting here for a minute. The market will be extremely oversold, so it likes to push back up out of there like that. So we want to see that this morning. This is what we want to see right there. So that's a good sign. That's a good sign. We want to see gold drop into the 30s. We want to see a drop into the 30s. What's happening, family? How you doing? How your mama doing? How your daddy doing? How your cousins doing? How your granny doing? Put some fire in the chat. Let's go. You're in the live, you should click the thumbs up immediately as you come into the live. You over here on TikTok, you should be tapping that screen because what we're finna be showing you guys right now is the sauce of the sauce. So the name of this live is actually Stop Overtrading. So many people are having profitable days, but then overtrading is crushing your journey. Meaning taking too many trades, meaning staying in the game way too long. Like nice push down. There is a such thing as being in the game way too long. What I like to do early in the morning, as you guys notice, as we consistently like plug in on a daily basis, I like to start off with small lot sizes early in the morning. Just to show you guys, I like to start off with little small lot sizes like that, taking like 25 cents to like $50, $80, $100. I like to start off like that early in the morning. So as I'm like continuing my trading day, I create like market money. I create house money. So therefore, when I start taking bigger lot sizes, bigger trades, I don't even have to worry about having my capital because I've already scalped $80, $100 or I got a nice sell position because this sell position from here to here, that thing will pay out. It'll pay out nice. So we're sitting at a 51. I have like a 53 entry. We have a 53 entry. We're up like 30 pips on it. So I'm excited. What's happening, beautiful people? I see y'all that pulled up on me. If you have not hit the like button right now, you tripping. You tripping. Gold is on her way down. She is making her way. I think she's gonna literally come to this area right here. This is where I think we're going to see a nice little shift down on gold. Boom. Yesterday we were in gold. We took an amazing sell position yesterday. We took an amazing sell position at the top of the hour. At the top of the hour, right here. It was amazing. Actually, it was right here because it was the 3 black crows. We saw the 3 black crows. She pulled up. She danced for us. She danced. She danced. So now I think she's going to continue all the way down. Come down here and literally pull up. Now she's going to be a little rocky because she needs to break through this area right here. But as she pulls down, man, we ain't going to have nothing to worry about. I also like to check the news. Today is the 4th. So you'll see we got non-farm unemployment. We got rate statements, overnight rates. We got PMIs. Oh man, we got it going down today. We got it going down. BOC, what is this? Bank of Canada. More hawkish than expected is good for currency. Yeah, so we might see some good news today. We might see some good news on the indices. So if the indices are going to be good today, I think my light is going to die. My light is going to die, and my iPad is going to die. Sheesh. iPad on 10% on y'all ass right now. That means we working. That means we working over here. That's what that means. That's what that means. We working over here. Boom. So yeah, so like I said, we still got the same signal. I'm interested in this signal right here. This is what I want to see. So for those who are set up, for those who are already day trading, the 33.32 to the 33.35 is where we're going to be going into our bigger buy area. Right now I'm in the short. I have a short position from here. And what we're going to do is just basically let her fall, let her pull all the way back in here, just like that. Just like that. So you just gotta just let her play herself out. Gotta let her play herself out. Also over here on TikTok, if you got any questions, don't feel free to kind of like type it in the chat. If you want to come over here to our YouTube, we're over here on YouTube right now, Mr. Holistic 888, and that link is in my profile. So you can immediately go on my YouTube, you can get over there and you can see what everybody else sees, where you can see it directly versus me in the camera, being my own worst camera guy. Being my own worst camera guy, you know, like that's what it's about. That's what it's about, beautiful people. That's what it's about. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. This is going to be a nice little play for us. This is going to be a nice little play for us. Dun, 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 dun. So what up, Shanisha? What up, Max Swag? What's happening, Charlotte? What's happening, Jared? Amari, Raimi? What's happening, Ange? Chanel, Danielle, what's happening? Daniela, what's happening? Shanisha, what's happening? Riley, we got them all in the house. Marcus, what's popping? Julie, hey, the comedian queen, what's up, beautiful? We got my boy Rich in the house. What's popping, family? Let's go. Let's go. It's solid. It's solid. It's solid. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. So, like I said, we have this place set up already. We're gonna set an alarm. Booyah, because we got some news today. Our sell position still holds from yesterday. 33.92 to 33.89. That's still our top sell position right here. You can see that. If I raise the camera up for everybody on social media. That's our sell position on gold. Let's go find something on Nasdaq. Nasdaq is moving kind of funky. So when they moving funky like that, I just like to reset her, mark her up. She's trying to approach this area here. She's trying to approach the weekly high. Let's go. Let's go. You know what that means. You know what that means. The Bulls are back in town. The Bulls are back in town. The Bulls are back in town. That's your weekly. Let's go to the day. Oh, the daily got a small candle. Look at the small candle. That means sellers about to come in. So that daily candle is hella small. So I'll take this wick, this high of the day, and then I'll take that low of the day. And then that should protect us from any crazy news momentum. And give us some good droppage. Some good droppage. Yeah. Now we go to the 4 hour. We find our gaps. We find our gaps in the market. So there's your first gap right there. There's your gap. And that's where the market will come. And you will see your first little sell position right there. Come on, Cubanas. So on Nasdaq, we will have a sales position at 21,827 to 21,000. Let's do. $797. Sell Nasdaq. Nasty Nas. Oh my bad. Let me get you guys in the view. Do. Make it red. So when the market comes right here, we sell her. No questions asked. The market pulls in here, we're going to be selling her. We're going to be selling her. Here's that other gap. Let me show you that other gap on the 4 hour. You're going to see it literally right there. Let me move the camera back so you guys can see it. Y'all see that gap? Let me show it to you. Trading in the gap. Right there. There's your gap. So people are like, Mr. H, I don't understand what you mean by the gaps. Well, you go walking out here in Las Vegas, go to the strip, you'll see a whole bunch of gaps. You'll see a whole bunch of gaps in the market. So we're gonna go 21,363 to 21,393. 393. Buy. Nasty. Nice. There it is. Green right there. So there's your plays. There's your plays, beautiful people. There's your plays. Good morning. I have about 10 minutes. Sharon, what's happening? You got about 10 minutes. It's on and popping, girl. It's on and popping. Here's your numbers right now. I'm giving you your numbers right now. Can you give me an explanation on the gaps? Of course. That means the market price have taken off from those areas, leaving liquidity, leaving orders. So therefore, when you trap the daily candle, you will see gaps on the 4 hour. And if you trade in the gaps on the 4 hours, these are specific areas where the market has to fill, and then they like to retrace out of there, just like that. That's what the gaps are. Did you mark that one up like that because it broke the upward momentum? Absolutely not. No, Jared. I marked it like, or you might be talking about gold maybe, I don't know. Look at gold dropping, dropping, drop it like it's hard, drop it like it's hard. Drop it like it's hard. Yeah, so I'm excited. I'm excited for that. Let's go find US 30. US 30 is looking for the same thing. Same thing. Let's get her naked. Boom. Let's go to your weekly refresher. You're gonna see the same little movement. So we cap the week, the highest highs of the week, see where the market is trying to go. Especially in the bull market, the market likes to rush back up into like weekly highs, as you see. It likes to come up, test those weekly highs. If I go to the day, once again, daily candle, very small. You're gonna see the same thing. So we're gonna take that wick and we're gonna take that wick. And then that gives us momentum and stuff to be able to play, gives us room for the daily on the actual news candles when news starts coming in. It gives us that buyout. There it is, there's the range. There's the range right there. Just make sure it's tight. Make sure it's tight. Tomorrow I got open bail, beautiful people. Tomorrow we got open bail. Tomorrow we have open bail. US 30 has a lot of slippage down here. We have a lot of slippage down here. We have a lot of slippage, so we might have to adjust the floor because I see more dominant areas on the floor. I see more dominant areas on the floor. Yeah. That's such a big drop. That's such a big drop. We'll keep it. We'll keep it. Because you have gaps there. So let's do the gaps. Let's do the gaps. 42,730 is your roof. 42,700 sell. Dirty 30. Come on. Buy out. There's your parameters, and you're buying 42,039. You're gonna be buying at 42,000. Let's do 42. Let's go. 69. By dirty 30. Give me my 6 yard. Boom. There's your zones. There's your zones. There's your zones right there, beautiful people. You got a US 30, you got a Nasdaq. Oil sitting at 63.34. Oh, look at oil. Look at these jumps. Look at these jumps. When we're buying oil, selling oil. Let's find it. Let's find the money on oil. Let's find the money on oil. Oil need to get to $50. Oil need to get to $50. What that weekly look like? What that weekly look like? That weekly look like it's just touching, it's testing the trend. The weekly is testing the trend right now. Shit, we can probably sell oil right now. We can probably sell oil right now. That's on the week. That's a weekly play. Yeah. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Y'all sell US oil right now. Damn, she dropped too fast. Well, I can go grab her over there. She dropped too fast. Look at that. Yeah, sell her. You can sell her. Sell her ass. Sell her ass right now. Yeah. I gotta get an iPad, a little juice. I gotta get an iPad, a little juice. Yeah. We could have sold oil right here, right where she's sitting. Right where she's sitting. You go to the 4 hour. It's kind of late. It's kind of like the FOMO in. But if you look at the weekly, it's like that's the weekly play. That's a weekly play. That's a weekly play. So that would be more of a trade to hold. So you can use a smaller lot size. Yes. I'll take a weekly entry. I don't mind taking a weekly entry. I don't mind taking a weekly entry on oil. I'm taking a weekly stance on oil. Just to show you guys. Mr. Donald Trump said he's trying to get oil down to $50. So that's a weekly move. If it just came down here, that's $55. So I can easily see that doing what this did. Bing, bang. So I have my entry right here, to be honest with y'all. And we're gonna just let that thing play out. I'm not even gonna give it any energy. So we have a 63.52 sell position on a weekly. Let me type that up for y'all. Got it sitting right here, so we already know what's happening. Let me put that note. Weekly sale. So I already know every time I see that, this is a longer version, because there's nothing on the 4 hour, nothing on the 1 hour, nothing on the 30 minutes that is going to show me what I want from the week to happen. So I'm not even interested in the smaller time frame. So that's my position on oil right there. And we're gonna let her play out. It's Wednesday. We got 2 days to kind of see what she's gonna do. She got 2 days and 11 hours to literally do what she's been doing right there. Drop it. Drop it. Where gold sitting at? Where gold sitting at? Gold sitting at 49. Let's go, baby. Let's go. That hour. That short is looking good right now. That short position is looking good on gold. Scrumptious. Yes. Yes. But this is your buy zone here. So you got a buy on gold, buy on, and a sell on gold. You got same on US 30, also same on Nasdaq, and same on, well, actually you're just in a sales position on oil. So we should be good. All JPY pairs are looking good. All JPY pairs are green. So if you're into currency pairs, you can get over here on those granny pairs and make it happen. You can make it happen on the granny pairs. They're all looking the same. They're all looking the same. We got the 61.64 an hour ago. Why did we go to sleep? I know, right? Bro, it came too. It came in good. That 61, I'm telling you. Imagine I ordered food last night and fell asleep and woke up this morning and got it from the door. I woke up this morning and got it from the door. Like, jeez. Got to do better. Got to do better. Y'all tap that screen over here on TikTok. Y'all tap that screen. You might not know what you're looking at, but what you're looking at is grade A analysis, baby. Grade A analysis. Does the market usually ignore the imbalances when rejecting off of a gap? Pretty much. The market can ignore anything. Imbalances, liquidities, all of that, like order blocks, fair market gap, like all. Bro, none of that shit means anything when the market is literally covering grounds. When market is being manipulated, none of that means anything. So don't look into any of that. Have your strategy, and nothing that you see, do, think, whatever, changes the strategy. Like, the market comes right here, that's the gap, we buy. Market comes up here, that's a gap, we sell. You start seeing trend line rejection like I got on US oil on the weekly, I see a trend line rejection. That's why I take that trade. Look at that. This is why I take that trade. That trade is actually green already. That's a weekly position, and it's green already. You see that? It's green already. So we got a 52, not a 56. Let me make sure it's correct. The oil position is green already, right here. Check that out. And for those who jumped in with me, it's going to look like a FOMO on other time frames, but we're looking at these wicks on the weekly. And that candle here becomes a red candle because of news or the next 2 days, 3 days. Listen, Linda, listen, Linda. Oh yeah, bro, it was over, bro. I was sitting on that couch, it was over, bro. It was over. But we got food for today. What a beautiful morning. What up, Caleb? What up, Trapping Charts? I've been on oil for 3 days. Shit sat in that yeah, because she on the weekly, bro. She on the weekly. Now she gonna start moving. She had to go get that weekly trend, you know? So she hit that weekly trend. Now she working her way. As the guy, as Terry Crews was saying, working my way downtown, walking fast. We got food for today, baby. Let's go. Look at go. Look at that short on gold. Jeez. Bro, I got a 33.53 short on gold right now, open. I said, she has to come down to our spot. She has to come down to our spot. Everybody was probably trying to buy right here because they were seeing, look at that. They were seeing this structure right here. So everybody's trying to buy right up in here. But yo, she's gonna pull all the way down here. She's gonna cover bigger ground. She's gonna cover bigger ground down here. So I wanna see this drop all the way down here. Let's go. Let's go. Now this area right here is for sure a scalping area, but it's too risky because when you look at the higher time frames, look at the 3 hour, look at this big ass red candle on the 3 hour. You see, it's just this wick is where you're gonna see some type of rejection. You see it like that, these wicks right here is where you're gonna see some rejection, but it pulls straight past it. You see that? It pulls straight past it. So you don't want to be trying to catch buys on a falling knife unless it comes all the way down here. And when it comes all the way down here like that, man, you solid as a rock. Solid as a rock, baby. Look at that. Look at that. Come on and give me some. Come give me some. Look at that 4 hour. Now, I'm also the type of guy, if this candle keeps pushing down like this, I will make this trade right here invalid because it's too many sellers coming in, and to buy on this is extremely reckless. If I see this candle coming in with rejection, meaning the market is hesitating to come into this area, not only do we make it active, but we make it active on steroids, and we going in bigger because we know it's the gap on the 4 hours. So when she comes in and she goes in and hesitates, I let her hit that aggressive. When she hits middle to modest, yo, we smacking that motherfucker like Tina. Eat the cake, Edam, eh? She smacking it like Tina. Eat the cake, anime. Y'all caught them pips on that drop? Y'all caught that pips on that drop? Everything is beautiful today. Everything is beautiful. Let's go. Dun, 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 dun. Let's go, baby. On TikTok, you guys should be sharing the live. You guys should be tapping the screen. You guys should be showing the love, because I'm letting you guys into a community that we help any and everybody have a better relationship with money just by plugging in. I'm a digital educator. I teach people how to do analysis in the foreign exchange market. I literally show you where the ins and outs are in the market, and we are green on the oil trade. Let's go. We are green on our oil trade. As an Indian guy would say, the phone is greening. My phone said green. Mr. H, why do you prefer middle to modest of a zone? Because the aggressive is like extra confirmation. It's not that I don't like taking the aggressive. I just don't use my main lot size for the aggressive. What I like to do for the aggressive is to give me confirmation that what I'm looking at and what I'm literally pursuing is a go. So when, say for instance, the market comes in to this area like this, Mac, comes into my zone and it comes in hot like this, boom. Hits aggressive like this, buy out, comes up. I normally take aggressives as scalps, because if it comes up, I know for a fact if it came down hard, it's just retracing up to pull back in there. And then when it gets middle to modest, this is when I activate my actual entry, you see? Because now I know that it did not have enough buyers here to complete the actual jump off. So it comes back in, and most people are sitting middle to modest, because if you have an entry at your actual aggressive mag, most people are going to have a stop loss 20 to 30 pips down here. I like to enter where most people are going to put their stop loss. Boom. And when she's in there, bow, she pulls right on back up out of there like that, because she cleared quick stop losses and came and gave me that money. Smacking like Tina. So the real thing that determines if your zone is valid is the way the candles come to the zone. Not necessarily, yeah, I mean, that has a play, that has a play in it. You know, it has a play in it, but you know what I'm saying? My shit be smacking, bro. My shit be smacking, sir. And we in class 30-something minutes. Let's go. We got 130-something people on YouTube. Let's get some likes on YouTube. What's happening, beautiful people? Let's get some likes on YouTube. Let's go. Man, that gold dropped beautifully for you, boy. She dropped beautifully for you, boy. She pulled up. She's pulling up from 44. She's pulling up 40 pips. To be honest, I think we can literally find another position. Another position. Let's go find her. Let's go find her. It takes us back to the 56.53. Takes us back to the 56.53 for an entry. Let me do it the other way. Let's see what we get. Which one I like. There it is. There she goes. Yep, that confirms. It's a 52.55 sell position. It's kind of like where I have my entry at. I have my entry at the 52. Actually, no, I have my entry at the 53. I have a 33.53 on gold. So that's where I'm in at right now. So if she pulls back up here, I would suggest everybody like take that trend line rejection sell at 33.55, 33.52. We'll give her like that. That's going to be in the middle of your zone. Oh shit, my bad, TikTok. That's your Fibonacci right there. That's the play. That is the play. We'll move that right there. Here she comes. Here she comes. Here she comes. Here she comes, just walking down the street singing do I did it, did it, dog, did it, did. Let's go. 54.57. I like it. I like 54.57. It's all in that same little range, you know. It's in that same little range that we were trying to smack yesterday. Because you guys remember, oh, excuse me. Remember yesterday, 57.60 was a drop zone. Like she was dropping out of that zone. 57.60. 57.60, she was dropping. Bankhead bouncing out of there. So let her get up in there. That's 100 pips from where we at from right now. So I'll take a 52.55. I'll take a 52.55. I'll take that sell position. If you move this, it shows you that that sell position is going to be right in the little area that I like when the EMA 9 and the EMA 200 sits there. I know the market likes to pull in like this and then slingshot out of there like that. Buy out. I know the market likes to do that. So we'll let that fill up. Hopefully we can see it in class. If not, we're gonna get it after class and I'll update everybody in the chats and let everybody know like, yo, gold is gonna get active to the middle area. These are zones to zone. So our plays are from zone to zone. These are bigger plays down here. These are bigger plays. Most people need to make money right now. So if you wanna make money right now, you don't wanna be buying gold, you wanna be selling gold. Down to the buy zone. Scalp sale, day trade buys. That's where you're at. That's where you're at. I have a 33.50. Would you close it? Seeing it's coming back up? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. But that's up to you. That's up to you. I'll for sure put stop loss at like break even, so I won't like, you know what I'm saying, worry about it. But it's for sure gonna come to like a 52 area. So 20 pips, I wouldn't worry about 20 pips, 30 pips. But you're in the green though, so I always say, this is gold, guys. This is gold. We're looking at gold. This is XAU USD. XAU USD. That's what we own. There's your ticker right there. We're just letting her pull up. We want her to pull up into this area right here. We're gonna scalp her back down to our zones. I'm already in the scalp from the 53. Hell yeah, Kelly, that's it right there. That slingshot, these are some of my favorite moves. I love these little trades. I love slingshot trades. I don't care what time frame I see it on. I see it on the 15, I see it on the 30, I see it on the 1 hour, I can see it on the 4 hour. I don't care where I see it on. When I see it, I'm ready to smack them like Tina. I'm ready to smack it like Tina. Let's go, baby. Dun, 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 dun. We was up like $8 on oil. We're now like negative $4 right now on the oil weekly sale. And we're just gonna set it and forget it. We're gonna set it and forget it. Oil going to 50 bucks a barrel. Oil going 50 bucks a barrel. And I got my Cuban swag on right now. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Oh man. Oh man. Don't stall us out, baby. Don't stall us out. Give us our push. Give us our push. that weekly look. Look at that pullback. That's our entry now. We're green again. We're green again. We're green on oil now. We're green again. Green, 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 green. Hello. Iveta, what's happening? Look at that. What up, New Jersey? What's up? Check that out. Boom, boom, boom. Weekly play. That's a weekly play. You know what I'm saying? People always say, man, I'm always making money and I don't know where it goes. Well, there it is. There she goes. Right there. Boom, boom, boom. Oil is good. I need gold to give me a little bit more push. We need a little bit more push, baby. We need a push up. I need a nice little bink drop. So y'all be looking for that area, that 42, 43, that 52, 55 area. 52, 55 for the quick sale position to take it down to 33, 32. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Get them daisies. And I don't mind watching it. I don't mind. What up, cuz? I see you over here. What up, cuz? I want the market to pull right inside the highlighted area, right there, 52, 55. I want to catch her right in the middle, this area right here. And I'll take another position on the sale, just to do it with the crew, right here. And I don't care if it takes 2 candles, 3 candles to get there. You have 3 minutes and 53 seconds left in this candle, and this candle is doing a pretty good job trying to come back up into this 52 area. Here she comes, baby. Here she comes. Elizabeth Salgado, what's happening? Manny, what's happening? What's happening, beautiful? I see you on TikTok also. Let's go. Let's go. We're 30 pips away from an aggressive entry at the 200. Don't take an entry unless it's literally right here. Don't start saying, oh my God, it was wicked mistakes. I didn't think it was going to go up there. That's your issue. Stop thinking. That's your issue. Stop thinking. If she comes up here, take her from here. Not right here. Not right here. Take her at the 52. Take her at the 52. That should be your very first entry. 52. You see? And if it doesn't come there, we missed it. It's literally just that simple. It's just that simple. But that is trend line rejection right here on steroids. That will give you your trend line. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. By the way, we're back green on oil. We're back green on oil. It's going back and forth. $3, $4 profit, all the way back to like negative $2, $3, and then it's like up to $4, $8, $12. And if that's how the weekly is gonna go, shit, I'll take it all day, because when it hits $60 a barrel to $59 a barrel, start hitting to $55 a barrel, don't forget who told you to sell at 63. Here she come, TikTok. Here she come, TikTok. Yo, TikTok, I'm thinking about doing a boot camp for y'all to get everybody set up. This is gold. When we first came in, I gave a Nasdaq play. I gave US 30 plays. I gave oil plays, gold plays. So oil on the weekly, that's the weekly play. I just told everybody I like her. She's sitting on the trend. Sell her right now. It was just like up here. I just said sell her right now. Sell US oil right now. It's a weekly position. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. A barrel. Yeah. What am I looking at right now? Right now, this is oil. We're waiting on a 52.55 gold sale. This is what we're waiting on right here, right now. We're just waiting on that to happen. Scalp sale, scalp sale. I mean, we're gonna scalp her back down to our buy area. We have a buy area right here on the 4 hour. So we're basically letting this guy pull up in here, and then we're gonna scalp sell her. You can see the marks if I move all of this out of the way. Let's get this out of the way. Buy out. But this is what we're looking for overall on gold. And we got news today, so news can give us what we want. Again, we're up, what, $5? Just to show you over here on TikTok. This will be a weekly position on oil, right there. I just put 25 cents on her. 25 cents would sit there for literally the next 2 days, and then I will see what she does by the end, before the market closes on Friday, and just let her keep on moving. Let her keep on moving. We're moving up. Let's go back to the 15 minutes. We're getting close. We're getting close, y'all. We're getting close. Let's get in position. Let's get in position. Booyah. Let's get in position. Dun, 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 dun. We want to see her reject from here, push back up into here to at least to the 50, 52, 54, 53 in that area like that. And it's just patience. We might run out of time because we got 15 minutes in class, or the heifer might just leave us. What's popping? So when the EMA 9 and the 200 are close like that, it makes a slingshot hard down or up, mag. Just depends on if the market is coming into it like this, it's going to slingshot it down. If the market is up here, comes into it like this, it's going to slingshot it up, man. That's how that works. Just depends on where the market is at. The market is here. We need her to push back up here, and then she's going to drop. You see that, bro? You see that? Buy out. Let's go oil. Let's go oil. Here comes more buyers should be coming in this position right here. Let me put a green line right here before we get up out of here, just to show people. I want to trap her. Let's trap her right here. If she comes out of here, I'm just gonna wait for the buy here. If she comes out of this area right here, I'm gonna just wait for the buy down here and no longer interested in this little quick jump in. What I'm trying to do is get us in a sale and ride it down, to ride that trend down. I want to ride that trend down, but you need to get it between the 52, 55. That's where you need to get in at, to be honest. Let's change this line green, because that's where the market is going to bounce from. That's what she likes bouncing from. Yeah, that's for sure. Give it to me like Rick James. Give it to me like Rick James. Look at, watch the little pull up from the 48. Watch the little pull up from the 48 right there. The buyers are here. The buyers are sitting right here on the 48. Sellers are sitting right here at the 52. There's more sellers than buyers. So let the little buyers come in, bring it here. Big boy sellers come here, drop it down. You wanted to pull back to go for a short? Yeah, I wanted to pull back and go for a short. This is exactly what I want. And then we're gonna go long down here in the big gap area right here. That's the bigger play. That's the bigger play. This is just something like a quick play to get people in the game. Just try to get them in the game. Try to get them in the game. Bam, 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 bam. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Look at the pool. Let's go for the pool. Let's go for the pool. Y'all liking that music? Put some H in the chat if you like that music. Do you have a broker of choice? Liquid brokers. I only trade on liquids. I only trade on liquid. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Look at that little push up. Let's get that push up. Let's go, baby. Because the market is really not even moving, so what I'm doing is just motivating myself, coaching and being entertaining as the market sits in these consolidated areas and not really move back and forth, you see. So as she's not moving back and forth, what I want to do is just kind of like catch her in these little ranges and see what she kind of like pull back up in here the next 9 minutes, because she got like 9 minutes to like kind of like get back into our area. Oh man, I knew my what's name was gonna go off. I knew my light was gonna die. Don't die on me, light. We're in the middle class, baby. We're in the middle class. Here it comes. Here she comes. Pull on up, baby. Pull up on us. Pull up on us. You got 8 minutes and 49 seconds. Let's go. Let's go. There's your pull up. There's your pull up. Here's your pull up. Let's rock and roll, baby. Let's rock and roll. Look at that pull up, guys. I'm telling you, in the market, once you find the range, the price range the market is moving in, let her play in those ranges. And as she plays in those ranges, boom, you know how to trade in there. You know how to navigate in it. You know exactly, like I said, I want to see her come to a 52. She's having a hard time breaking the 48. So if she's having a hard time breaking the 48, we not even tripping. We not even tripping. We just want to see her pull all the way up. We want to see her pull all the way up, just like that, you see? And so when you see her pull up like that, you can take those entries just to show you. Look at this. Look at that. That's to show you. That's to show you. That's how you do it. Let's move, baby. That's move. Amen. Amen. Oh yeah. I like that. I like that. I like that play. I like that. Get on up there. Get on up there. Get on up there. So it is 4:52. Yo, I appreciate you. I appreciate you. What is that? Who is that? Let me make sure I'm following you. Let me follow you back. Let me follow you back. Boom. So yo, TikTok. I appreciate you guys showing up. Let me give you my face. I appreciate you guys showing up. This is your guy, Mr. Holistic. We are live Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We live streaming. The family is out of town. Ain't got nothing to do this weekend but run my business and motivate individuals, educate individuals, hook people up, and show people how to get started. We are the bridge to get individuals educated in the foreign exchange market. I am in my home studio. It is dark. It is 4:53 in the morning. I'm finna literally get off the live, go to the gym, put in some good work on the temple, get myself ready for the New York Stock Exchange, the New York session, and start putting myself in the proper position to literally have my money to start making me money. The oil is looking beautifully for you guys who are in it. I'm excited for it. I'm excited for the oil play, the weekly oil play. We had 142 viewers over here on YouTube. We also have 100 plus likes, but we over here on TikTok with 18 beautiful people, and we got almost 1,500 likes. The minute they start realizing that what we're doing over here is generationally changing individuals, they're gonna stop the live streams. I'm telling y'all straight up. So you might as well get over here on the YouTube, go subscribe. I have a Twitch channel, go subscribe, and then we're gonna be live streaming on all platforms. Because anytime I start going live consistently, they always end up banning my lives because I'm showing people how to have a better relationship with money, and they can't stand that. They can't stand that. They can't stand that. So I love you guys. Y'all make the rest of your day the best of your day. Talking to TikTok, YouTube, don't go nowhere. So I'll see you guys later. Deuces.
Job to keep the power on. That's why he chooses Granger for professional grade products and next day delivery. So he can
Don't be a hater, YouTube. Don't give me long commercials at the end of the session. Don't give me long commercials at the end of the session. I want to see her pull up, but she might be gone, y'all. She might be gone. She might be gone. So we're just gonna wait. I'm just gonna, like I said, I'm gonna be patient. I have my alarm set, so we're not even tripping. I have an alarm over here at the 53. If she pulls up, gives me the 53 between the EMA 9 to 200. I have an alarm there. I have my alarm sitting right here at the 333, like my boy Marcus, 3333. Boom, I got my entry there, angel numbers. So I'm ready for that. Oh, I like it. I like it. I like it. I love you guys. I love you guys. My iPad about to die, so we got to get up out of here. My iPad about to die. Oh, I appreciate it, Cam. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Come on in here and get the view. Get the view. My boy told me that it's lagging a little bit. That it's like it has a 10-second like kind of like a delay on YouTube. That's because they're haters. That's because they're haters. The vibe was amazing. So let me do a quick recap. The last 4 minutes of class. Nasdaq. I want you guys to screenshot these plays so you understand where are the zones. So you don't even have any questions. All you gotta do is just press the button. Press the button. Let me take a photo. Y'all got Nasdaq? Everybody should see Nasdaq. Screenshot that. Bye y'all. Here's gold. Screenshot that. Bye y'all. Here's your dirty 30. Here's your dirty 30. Screenshot that. We could easily see a nice little drop from here. Easily see a nice drop from here. Boom, on dirty 30. You might get that in open bail. And here is your US oil, the weekly. That's the weekly. That is the weekly right there. We're up like 19 bucks. 19 bucks on the weekly. But she's pushing to it. She's pushing. Like I said, this is a 2-3 day. This is a 2-day hold right now. I want to see what she looks like Friday. Just that simple. I want to see if we go from 63 and get a 62, 60 like this come like Friday. This is what I want to see. This is what I want to see. That's what I want to see. Other than that, if you guys don't have any questions, there's your weekly oil play. So if she pushes back up into this area, just keep taking her, keep taking her, keep taking her until she breaks that trend on the week. On the way. Alexandra, thank you. I appreciate you. Love the vibe. That's what's up, Cam. What's up, Cam? I do hear. Oh, okay, I got you. Something. Thank you. Boom, 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 boom. Francis, is that a buy on US 30 or a sell? So, Francis, as you pull into my lives, where you see the red zones, these are sales. Let me show you. The caption will tell you sell dirty 30 or buy dirty 30. Red zones mean press the red button. Green zones mean press the green button. What's up, Lisa? What's happening, beautiful? What's poppin'? Traveling queen. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, gold left our area. She's sitting at 46 right now. I don't think she's going to come back to that 52 no time soon. She's not going to come back to the 52, so this might be wishful thinking. You know what I'm saying? We might be wishful thinking. But it's there. It's there. It's there. Because that's a 15-minute, like she's just sitting right here. She can pop back up, bang, drop back down. So I like it. I like it. So listen, guys, y'all make the rest of your day the best of your day. I'm about to hit the gym up. About to beat the temple up, just like I was beating these charts up this morning. Beat the temple up like I was beating the charts up this morning with zero complaints. We're still in our 53 sale. So I'm excited. I'm excited about the 53 sale that I'm in. I just wanted to get everybody in the 52. I want everybody to hit the 52, make it do what it do. You know what I'm saying? That's what I wanted. But you guys take care. I'll see you guys in the chat. And imagine tomorrow I will be hosting Open Bell. So I'm extremely excited for everybody that wants to get it in the New York Stock Exchange live in the market. We're going to be going ham on Open Bell tomorrow. So I'm excited. I am excited. I am excited. I love you guys. Y'all make the rest of your day the best of your day. Deuces, beautiful people.